Alright, so another day today. We'll start with an easy problem. I'll review the last problem that I was doing, the medium level one, finding out the single element uh, later. I'll do that again. I mean, I'll start it from where we left. So, uh, this question says that search given sorted array of distinct integers and a target value, return the index if the target is found. Alright, and if it's not found, then we need to return the index where it would have been inserted in the order. Alright, so we have just a second. Yep, we have a sorted array. So now what we need to do is that we need to find out the target first of all. So that's pretty to the point, simple binary search, I would say. But then if we don't find the target, then what we need to do is that we need to find out the place where the element would have been placed, as it's the sorted array, so that shouldn't be an issue. It's an easy problem. So let's start with the code of the normal binary search. Alright, so and start nums dot length -1, and then have a while loop, start less than equal to end. If that is the case, int mid can be start plus end minus start by 2. If start, yep. Alright, so if we find the target element, that's the first case. If nums mid is target, what we can do is we can return, what do they want me to return? Return the index if the target is found, return mid. Else if nums mid is greater than target, what we can do is we can middle element is greater than the target, so the target will be on the left hand side, so end equals to mid -1. Else start equals mid plus 1. If this loop doesn't work, then return. So let's try to drag on this loop so that we can find out what to return if we don't find the target element. So nums mid will be the target, if then we'll be returning mid. So let's take the given test case 1 3 5 6. Oh, this has 5. All right, yep, 1 3 5 6. This doesn't have a 7. So loop will start at 0 till the end index, that is 1 2 3. So start, end, middle will be 1, that is 3 in the element sense. So is the target greater than the middle? Of course it is. Target greater than middle, start equals to mid plus 1. So now start will be 1 3 5 6. Start is going to be 5th, 5, that is the second element, so that will be start. 6 will be the end. Middle will be 2 plus 3, that's 5. 5 divided by 2, that's gonna give us 2 in this case. That will be the middle element. So is then again we will see if if the target element is greater than the nums middle. Yes, it is. Then we will move ahead. Start equals to mid plus 1. Start becomes mid plus 1. That means 1 3 5 6. Start becomes middle plus 1. End remains the same. What will be the middle element? If start and end are the same, that is 3 plus 3, that's divided by 2, that is 3, that is the middle element. So is the target bigger than the middle element? Yes, it is. So now the loop will be ending because start is equal to the end. We will be taking start less than equal to. So now the loop will end. So now what we can return is what we will be returning is if the return what we can return is start plus 1 plus start plus 1. We can return start plus 1, and we can't, I don't think so, nums contains distinct values in solid ascending order. Like if they want us to put 0, let's see with this case, return start plus 1 end equals mid minus 1. Yep. Then the target is 2. If the target is output is 2, but they want the index. If not, return the index where it would be if it were inserted in order, the index only. So wait, what if I just return start? Yep, that's it. That's the question. Yep. Now I'll be doing medium one, the one I wasn't able to do yesterday. So yep.